Hello everyone, we're going to integrate this AI avatar agent into our website as if it were a little chat bubble. Take a look at how it looks. Once we've integrated it, look, there it is, it's alive, we can see that it's super intelligent, it's an AI avatar agent, we can click on it and now we can interact with it to ask questions. Let's see how we can insert this into our website. Once we have it integrated, we're going to click here to share and see how to activate it directly on our website. So we click this little button to make it public, and what we're going to do is activate it on your website as a chat bubble. All we need to do is copy this script by clicking this button, we copy it, and then we go to our web page server. In this case, I'm using WordPress, but it could be Wix or any other platform. In the end, all we're going to do is insert an HTML module. In this case, I could insert it on any page of my website, whether it's the contact page, the home page, or wherever we want to place it. But in my case, I want the avatar to always be available on any page of my website, right? So for that, we're going to go to the header and footer. We're going to insert it in the header and the footer so that it's present everywhere, because the header and footer are shared. So what I'm going to do is edit the header and footer in this case to insert it there, right? In this case, we're going to edit with Elementor, but any editor works because all we're going to do is insert an HTML component. Since I already have that inserted here, what I'm going to do is remove it so you can see from scratch how it's created. So I'm going to add an HTML component here and insert it. It doesn't matter where you insert it because what will determine the position of the bubble, whether it's on the left, center, or right, or whether it's larger or smaller, will be set from the CloneByMe page in settings under display mode. There, in addition to adjusting the background color, text color, and even uploading an image if you don't want to use this one, like an avatar image, although this one is quite lively and works well. As you can see, it auto-generates something dynamic. You'll be able to set the position of the bubble on your website, whether that's to the left, in the center, or to the right. The size of that bubble, I like to make it large, and even the size of the window when it opens, how big this is. So once we want to and have configured this, we just need to come here. So within our website, in this case in our header, it doesn't matter where this component is because it will follow the configuration we set in CloneByMe. Once we have this, now yes, inside that component, we're going to copy and paste the script we just obtained. And if we save this page right now, we'll be able to see that it has loaded directly and it has already placed the little bubble in this position. If, for example, we want to change the position, we just have to go to CloneByMe, and in this case, we're going to place it in the center because I'm already here on the left. And we're going to save, and all we have to do is reload. The little bubble will immediately move to wherever we want it to be for our audience, right? In this case. Well, I'm going to keep it on the right because it's quite good there. It's a pretty good position. And with that, we would have this agent configured and integrated into our website. And as I said, if we wanted to integrate it into any other web page, just on that site, we would insert this HTML component only on that page instead of in something shared by all pages like the header or the footer. Thank you very much.